Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We're driving through the downtown area of Winnipeg, beginning along Broadway, one of the city's most prominent and historic avenues. This wide tree-lined street connects key government and cultural landmarks, offering a more formal and civic feel compared to the busier commercial roads nearby. As we continue along Broadway, we approach the Manitoba Legislative Building, home to the provincial government of Manitoba. Completed in 1916, this grand structure is known for its neoclassical design, symmetry, and carefully planned architectural details. The grounds are open to the public and feature statues, fountains, and landscaped gardens.
Thank you very much.
Circling around the legislative grounds, you'll notice the building's prominent dome and central statue, which has become one of the most recognizable symbols in the city. The surrounding area includes government offices and green space, giving this part of downtown a quieter, more open atmosphere. From here, we make our way toward Union Station, the city's main rail terminal. Opened in 1911, it was designed in the Beaux-Arts style and reflects Winnipeg's importance as a transportation hub in the early 20th century. Today, it serves passengers traveling with Via Rail and remains an active part of the city's transit network. Continuing on, we arrive at the Forks, one of Winnipeg's most visited destinations. Located at the meeting point of the Red and Assiniboine rivers, this site has been a gathering place for thousands of years. Today, it features markets, restaurants, walking paths, and open spaces that attract both locals and visitors year-round. As we drive through this area, you'll see a blend of historic structures and modern development. Trails and riverwalks connect different parts of the site, and seasonal activities make the Forks a lively place in both summer and winter. It's a key part of the city's identity and a focal point for community events. Nearby is the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, a striking modern building that opened in 2014. Its unique design stands out on the skyline, and it serves as a national museum dedicated to the exploration of human rights both in Canada and around the world. As we continue driving through downtown, you'll notice the mix of architectural styles, from early 20th century buildings to newer glass and steel towers. This contrast reflects Winnipeg's growth over time, shaped by its role as a center for trade, transportation, and government. Traffic and activity vary throughout the day, but downtown Winnipeg maintains a steady rhythm with offices, institutions, and cultural sites all within close proximity. Streets like Broadway help tie these areas together, offering access to many of the city's key landmarks. Overall, this drive through downtown highlights a mix of history, civic importance, and modern development. From government buildings to cultural destinations, it provides a clear view of how Winnipeg's core functions today. Winnipeg is the capital of Manitoba and sits near the geographic center of North America. It is located at the meeting point of the Red River and the Assiniboine River, a historic crossroads that has shaped the city's development for thousands of years. Indigenous peoples lived and traded here long before European arrival, making this one of the oldest continuously used meeting places on the continent. That meeting place is now known as the Forks, one of Winnipeg's top attractions. For over 6,000 years, it served as a gathering site for trade and culture. Today, it has been redeveloped into a public space with markets, restaurants, walking paths, and historical exhibits, blending the past with modern city life. Winnipeg became an important transportation and economic hub in the late 1800s, especially after the arrival of the railway. Its location made it a gateway to Western Canada, attracting immigrants and businesses. By the early 1900s, it had grown into one of the country's largest and most influential cities, known for its grain trade and financial institutions. The city is also known for its cultural depth. It is home to major institutions like the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, the Winnipeg Art Gallery, and a strong performing arts scene. Festivals play a big role here as well, including Folklorama, which celebrates the city's diverse cultural communities, and Festival du Voyageur, which highlights its French-Canadian heritage. Winnipeg's climate is one of its defining features. Winters are long and cold, with temperatures often dropping well below freezing, while summers are warm and sunny. This contrast shapes daily life, from skating on frozen rivers in winter to enjoying outdoor patios and parks in summer. The city embraces these extremes, turning them into part of its identity. Winnipeg is also known for its strong neighborhood character, where each area has its own identity and history. Districts like Exchange District feature well-preserved early 20th century architecture and reflect the city's boom years as a commercial center. In contrast, areas such as Street, Boniface highlight the city's deep French heritage with bilingual services, historic churches, and cultural institutions that continue to shape Winnipeg's identity today. Another defining feature of Winnipeg is its connection to the surrounding prairie landscape. The city is relatively flat, with wide skies and long sightlines that change dramatically with the seasons. Agriculture plays a major role in the region's economy, and Winnipeg remains a key service and distribution center for Manitoba and much of central Canada. Despite its urban growth, it still feels closely tied to the land around it, offering visitors a mix of city life and open space that is distinctly prairie Canadian. Today, Winnipeg is a city of about 800,000 people, known for its affordability, strong sense of community, and mix of urban and natural spaces. Whether exploring historic sites, relaxing in parks, or walking along the rivers, visitors get a clear sense of a city that is both grounded in history and still evolving. Thanks for watching!